Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a best airplane which can stay in the air longer and can fly the furthest. So first of all, what you need is A4 paper. Let's say A4 paper. Okay. Any A4 paper. And then what you want to do over here on the A4 paper is, okay, A4 paper, you want to do it. Okay, so what would it be? So this is a half. You can see it's a half. Okay, half. When it's in its half, then this is its half. Okay, so I open. This is its half. Okay, so now what you do is you do it another half here, swing it over here. Okay, another half. Okay, over here, and then another half on the other side. On the other side. So, on these three steps, you should look something like this. You can see it, okay? Okay, so now you can see now over here. First, I pull in half like this, and then I do like this, I do like this and this. So. Now we got that. What you want to do is, when you put it, shouldn't be. I'm gonna make it like this. I'm gonna make it a bit like this. Okay. So this point should be coming to this line. Okay. Okay. And then you want to take that thing and you want to do the same thing over here. Just like this. Okay, so I'll show you what it looks like. You can see it, okay? Now, I'm going to do it with the next step. Now, the next step is a bit of hard. Now, what you want to do is, we're going to be folding it like this about 8 times. So be careful, look at this carefully. That's one. 2. That's 2. 2 gone, and now the third one. Okay, now the fourth one. Now the fifth one. And now the sixth one. And now the seventh one. And now the eighth. So now it should be looking like this, some sort of like this. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is do it in half, just like this. Down, you can see it's in half. Okay, and that's it half. It's like this. Okay, like this. Now what I will do is I'll make this into a half. Both sides, on this side should look something like this. You see it? And now, when it's like this, so we're gonna make it, when it should, on the top, it should be like this. Okay, so then what you want to do is you can stick tape around here, but I'm not going to do, because if you have a competition and you're not allowed to use tape, this is for that, no tape. But if you have tape, it actually helps over here, sticky tape. So now you know this is the airplane. Now I'm going to show you. Now I'm going to show you how it actually flies. Okay, ready for the fly? Ready for the fly, and let's go for this fly. Okay, we're gonna check it out. Now, this is our plane. It's right over here. So I'm telling you, it is so cool. We'll try it again. Because I'm indoor, that's why I have. So, we'll do it again. Okay. Goes on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please like. I'm more than best. I hope you like my video, and I hope you learn so much. Thanks for watching.